Wow.
So look at that beautiful sunset.
Gorgeous.
And the nice headwinds blowing our hair back.
Yeah.
Boy, I really do have a hairline, don't I? Welcome to the Barber Bus channel. We are here in Branson. Actually, we're just down the hill from our home here on Table Rock Lake, and there's a beautiful park here called Mill Creek. And we're sitting on the dock here, the public dock at Mill Creek, but we're going to be hitting the road to Harriman, Tennessee.
Yes.
Isn't that exciting?
We're excited. We're very excited to go out there.
It's a beautiful area, Eastern Tennessee, and we have family there. Yeah.
Come see us too.
Yeah, we're going to be performing at the Princess Theater on Saturday, August 29th, 7 o'clock show. If you know anyone in Eastern Tennessee, please tell them to look us up.
Make it a date night. Make it a family night.
The Harriman is a beautiful area, but the Princess Theater has a lot of history behind it, and it is going to be turning 100 years old a week after our show.
Wow.
So we're the last show before the 100th birthday.
That's cool. We should have gone in for the 100th birthday. We didn't realize that till afterwards.
Well, they've got a big event going on there, but we're excited to head out. We love evenings like this, though, when you've got this beautiful sunset right in your own backyard.
Right.
And but we're excited to get back on the bus and head to Tennessee. We've had lots of great adventures.
We have been on that bus almost 6 months this year.
6 months on the bus.
Yeah,
wow.
6 months on the bus.
So
and
we're half-timers.
We are half-timers.
We're not full-timers.
Not yet.
Yet. Stay tuned for that.
But we both just enjoy it. And it's evenings like this that really make you enjoy it even more.
And when you can find evenings like this around the country, too, at different places. We were just up in the Black Hills of South Dakota, and we were up in Spearfish the day that the biker rally began, and we were parked at Elkhorn Ridge RV Resort. Right. It's a beautiful resort, and we love our coach, but ours looked pretty tiny compared to some of the other beautiful Liberty coaches that were there. Ours is a Newell, but the Liberty coaches are among the most beautiful and most expensive motor coaches that there are.
We love ours, just like it is.
We love ours. No, I'm not complaining at all, but it was fun to see some of these multi-million-dollar coaches. Yes. And Andrew Steele is a well-known person on YouTube, and his video is where we first saw our barber bus.
It is.
He did an interview with Simon, who owned the bus, and did a tour of it. And I fell in love with this motor coach. And then Simon announced it was going to be for sale. And the rest is history. Simon says, "You're not buying this. You're the new caretaker." Yep. And that's how we look at it as well.
And we fell in love with it to the point that you walk in it and you're just home. It's so wonderful, the feeling. It's crazy. But yes, we have a home, but we have a home on wheels too.
And here we are sitting on the dock of the bay. We're actually out on the dock. There's the front of it where you come in with your boats. But beautiful evening, and we're just taking a little walk, and with our little doggy.
And say hi.
Yeah, we just wanted to come on and say hi. And if you haven't yet subscribed, a lot of you have subscribed. Please do so. We've got some really amazing videos coming up. We don't want you to miss some kind of important ones too.
Yeah, we have some good things because there's some things I've got videos in my heart to do, so we'll be excited about that.
Yeah, and if you've got any questions for us about what we're doing, put them in the comments below here. We'd love to answer your questions. If you have any particular places that you would like us to travel to, and maybe do our comedy show at a theater, or maybe even at a church, or any place around the country. We're going to be doing a lot more traveling in 2027. The year's going to start out
busy. It's going to start out
We're going to be in the Rio Grande Valley of Texas.
Yeah.
We're going to be in Arizona. We're going to be in Florida. We've got a lot of travel that is coming together right now, and it's going to be exciting. So stay tuned. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your good wishes, and we love you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.